So Kaikai said, all right. She took off her abhushan and she lay down out there and created darkness. So Dashrath came at night. Dashrath was attached to Kaikai and he saw the whole palace is dark today. So he asked Manthara, where is Rani Sahiba? Manthara said that she is extremely upset. She is in Kofa Bhavan. Now Dashrath's heart went dhak. Although he is such a brave king, because of his attachment to his wife, he has become like a mouse. You know, I have heard a joke that one king, he asked his mantris that which of you is like a lion at home? You stand tomorrow on this side and the one who is like a mouse will stand on the other side. So the next day, all the ministers were on the mouse's side and only one was on the lion's side. So he said, you are like a lion at home. He said, oh king, I am actually like a mouse, but my wife wanted me to stand on this side. So Dashrath is Mahavir. He is actually an Atirathi. In the Indian history, there is mention of Rathis, the charioteers, and Maharathis who could handle 1,000 Rathis. And then there are Atirathis who could handle 1,000 Maharathis. There have been a limited number of Atirathis in history, and one of them was Dashrath. However, it is his own weakness, his own attachment that has made him like this. So he came to Kaikai and said, Sumukhi Mriganayini Gati Gajagamini. Extremely romantic words, which a teenager would be embarrassed to say, but Dashrath is saying it. What is happening to you? What is the matter? So Kaikai, she shifted as if like she's been bitten by a snake. Don't touch me. Dashrath said, what is the matter? I am so happy today. Don't you know? I have announced the coronation of Ram. Everybody is celebrating. Whatever you want, I am willing to give to you today. So Kaikai said, you always say I am willing to give. When do you give? So Dashrath said, I promise on the name of Ram, whatever you ask, I will give you. Raghukul riti sada chali ai, pran jai paravachana na jai. Dashrath took the vow himself on Ram's name. Kaikai did not have to get it done. He said, on Ram's name I promise, whatever you ask I am willing to give. Now Kaikai decided that her side has become heavier. So she got up, she started decorating herself and she started praising him. You are such a great and glorious king. So I have to ask you for these two things. And you have made the resolve, you will not change it. Dashrath said, I have promised to you. My life will leave, but I will not break my word. What is it you want? She said, the kingdom should go to Bharat. And Patidev, I have a second Vardhan to ask. You will need to strengthen your heart. Tapasa Vesha Vishesha Udasi Chaudahu Varasha Rama Vanavasi. Ram, in the vesh of a tapasvi, of a sadhu, he should go into the forest for 14 years. The moment Dashrath heard this, he fell on the ground. He said, Kaikai, what are you asking? You used to tell me that you love Ram so much. I have got no objection to Bharat getting the kingdom. But why do you want to send Ram into the forest? And if he goes, how bad will Kaushalya feel? Kaikeyi said that Kaushalya is very nice and Ram is also very nice. But I want my two Vardhans and nothing less and nothing more. Dashrath tried his best to convince her, and he realized that she was not going to budge. So the fact that he would have to bear separation from Ram was so painful to him. He could not, that was his lifelong abhyas, ever think of giving his word, breaking it. So he realized he would have to send Ram into the forest. He fell on the floor and started saying, Ram, Ram, Ram. The hours started going by. It was almost morning time now. So Dashrath was an early riser. And in the morning, he would go and give darshan to the Nagarvasis who would gather in front of his palace. Today being a special day of Ram's coronation, the Nagarvasis were all there by 4:30 in the morning. And they saw that Raja Dashrath is not to be seen. They asked Sumantra to go and find out. Sumantra was his minister and charioteer. So Sumantra came to Kaikeyi's palace and asked Manthara, where is Raja Sahab? Manthara said he went in and he is not come out. Now Sumantra went in and he saw the king on the floor saying, Ram, Ram, Ram. He asked Kaikeyi, Maharani Sahiba, what has happened to Raja Sahab? Kaikeyi said, I don't know. He has been like this all night. And he's just saying Ram, Ram. I think you need to inform Ram and bring him here. Sumantra from there ran to Ram's apartment. Ram had gotten up. He was doing his morning ablutions, preparing for the great day when Sumantra came. Sumantra said, it's a serious matter. Raja Sahab is not well. You need to go and meet him right away. So Ram did not even put on his formal dress. In his night dress, he came from there. Some saints say that Ram probably thought that I will have to change into Valkal today, so why change twice? Put on the proper dress, then put on Valkal. So he came in his night dress itself. And when he reached the palace of Mother Kaikeyi, he found his father on the floor. Oh, Dashrath, looking at Ram, said, Ram, beta, you have come. Look, don't listen to what I am going to tell you. I will say it, but you don't have to do it. And saying that, he fainted. Ram asked Kaikeyi, what is the matter? Kaikeyi said, it is because of his attachment to you that his situation has become like this. Ram said, what happened? Kaikeyi said that he had two boons of mine. And I asked them. The Ram said, what did you ask? She said, I asked that the kingdom should be given to Bharat. So Ram heard that, really? My brother is going to get the kingdom? Jai Ho, this is wonderful news. And what is the second boon? Kaikeyi said that you should go as an ascetic into the forest for 14 years. Now hearing that, Ram took it positively. He said, this is wonderful. I will get a chance to perform austerities. I will get a chance to associate with the rishis and munis in the forest. It is good for me. What is bad in it? This is saintliness. To take negativity in a positive mindset. The world is not in our control. Our thoughts are in our control. The world, what can you do about it? How many people's behavior can you change? But how you respond to their behavior, how you respond to situations is your ability to respond. That is the responsibility. So our mind, our thoughts is our responsibility. Ram could have thought, hey भगवान मैं तो मर गया, ये क्या हुआ, ये तो भगवान मेरे लिए क्या करता है, कुछ करता ही नहीं है. लेकिन Ram is setting the example for us. If it is unavoidable, then all right. Be positive, see the grace, and move ahead. So Ram said, I will get to practice austerities in the forest, and I will get to associate with the great ascetics who have been performing sadhana in the jungle. What better thing could I have asked for? Kaikeyi said, all right then, go and prepare yourself. So Ram said, let me go and inform my mother. Now in the meantime, Dashrath came back to consciousness. He was again doing Ram Ram. As Ram ran out from the palace of Kaikeyi, the news spread everywhere.